Whoville they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day. Looking around, he puzzled, and he puzzled some more. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas
He thought.
doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. Welcome Christmas, bring your cheer. Cheer to all who's far and near. Christmas Day will always be just as long as we have we. Welcome Christmas while we stand heart to heart and hand in hand. As Mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this tremendous, magnificent tree! Okay, help with me, one and all, from 5 to 1 who's tall and small. Are you ready? Yeah! Ready? You ready, people? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out of my way, people! I forgot one little ball. Wait for it.
So the Grinch saved Christmas, and all through the town, all the who's and who watched the snow falling down.
So full next year is a must. We hope you've enjoyed. And Merry Christmas.